Hi, I'm Brian, owner of Valley Comfort Heating and Air. We are a family-owned and operated company here in Sonoma County that does installation, service, repair, and duct cleaning. At Valley Comfort Heating and Air, we are a factory authorized dealer, which means that all of our service technicians and installers must maintain their training by going to school and classes at least once or twice a year. One story as a satisfied customer, we went out and serviced their equipment. They were informed that they needed to replace the equipment, and we found that it just needed a small repair and saved them thousands. Valley Comfort Heating and Air started in 2006 at our home office, and then we grew to our first office building on West College. Then now we've updated to Ferdinand Court, went from 1 employee, now we're at 22 employees. One concerns customers may have is being overcharged or misled. At Valley Comfort, when we give a price, if we did not see something on an install, we will never add that to the price. One thing customers should know about us is we are a factory authorized company and we stand behind our work, and we are updating and training every year. If you're thinking about replacing your equipment, call Valley Comfort Heating and Air, where we treat everybody like family.